Okay, you guys, so we are at Lidl, I think it's pronounced, and I'm here not to come grocery shopping, but I am here because they are selling this, it's not a crock pot, it's more of, what's it called? I'll show you. But as you can see, there's also a line to come and buy stuff. Hooray. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh, she's here. She's here. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is what I came to get. This is what I came to get. This is what I came to get. The ones from Le Creuset are over $100, and these are barely $24.99. Look, you guys, they had a cast iron. It's gone. The Dutch oven, the smaller one, almost gone. The frying pan, gone. Like, just very few things are left, and today was the first day of the promotion that they got these out. So now I'm not sure if I should get the smaller one. I am so lucky I got here and there was the particular item I was looking for was left. So lucky. Oh my god. It's a 4.2 quart. It's a 4 liter. Cast iron roaster. Awesome. And let me see what else I find here. Oh my god. Maybe I should consider buying this. I am terrified of bugs. And it's only $6.99. So what else do we find? I don't know. What else do we find? Now the price difference between the bigger one and the smaller one is about $5. So I went and got the bigger one. I mean, why not? Let's see what else we find. Weather strip rubber. I don't know what that is. Pressure washer. Oh, pressure washer is only $80. That's not bad. Oh, Halloween candy. Look at all the Halloween candy. It's Halloween again. I remember my first Halloween video. It was good. It was good. Oh, what is this? Flameless LED lantern. Okay. Rice Krispies are $4.99 each. They're Halloween edition. Oh, this was such a steal. This is 25 bucks. Yes. So people are looking at me crazy, but I don't care. People are looking at me crazy, but I don't care because I got a deal. I love deals. And I came here, I got what I was looking for. I didn't come here to come grocery shopping, but there's a lot of great stuff here. I mean, shit, why not? But I got the cast iron. Success, yes! Oh my god, and it's just the first day these babies came out. They were almost gone. Ugh, so such luck. Look. The vapor. Great. The vapor. Okay, you guys. So let me check out real quick. You guys, I was so lucky to have found that cast iron. There was no more frying pan. There was almost the small cast irons. There were very few left. I mean, these things are over $100 at Le Creuset. So finding one for 25 bucks with that's good quality is a steal, dude. They came out today, Saturday, September, what is it, the 13th or something? Gone. And I was talking to the lady at the cash register. She said, whatever we have on floor is all we have left. I am so glad I did not decide to come tomorrow and see if there were still gonna be any left, because there was not. People were taking the small cast iron and the big cast iron. And you know what? I really wanted to get the small cast iron, but at the same time, I think I can wait for it. I really just wanted one. I wanted the frying pan, the grilling pan, and the large cast iron. I could only get the large cast iron, that's fine. But the thing is that I just, wow. I was so lucky. And Dude, when you see this promotion at Lidl, I'm not sure if they're gonna come up with it next year, but God Jesus, at least I got one. At least I got one. And maybe next year I'll get the frying pan. However, this year I was successful. I came, I did my bidding, and I'm good. I spent 50 bucks. I bought blueberries as well. They were like $2.99, and I got these deliciously scented cinnamon brooms. Great for the bathroom, great for the kitchen, and great for your house to smell Christmassy, because if I say it's Christmas in October, then it's Christmas in October. I mean, 2020 has been crazy. So the least 2020 could do is allow me for my house to smell like Christmas in October. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. Besitos, buenos dias. I didn't say good morning to you, but I really needed to go get that cooking pot. Oh dear. And now people are staring at me. Anyways, hola mis amores. Welcome to my new apartment. But we're not going to talk about that right now. We're going to talk about my newest purchase. Yes, look at it. It's from the Lidl brand called Ernesto, and it's my cast iron. It is iron. Like, this is full iron. This is so heavy, you guys. I cannot tell you how heavy it is. Now, also consider that I'm not like a strong person, so maybe that has to do a little bit with it, but I'm going to open it up. So let's take a look-see daisy. Ooh, qué emoción, qué emoción. Yeah. I haven't finished unpacking, but no one cares about that. So this is the Big Daddy. Yes. Okay, so I already went ahead and cut the tape, I think. Not all of it. Look, there's still tape here. There's still tape over here. So let's go ahead and get a knife. Okay, we have our trusty knife, and oh, these are the little cinnamon broomsticks I got. They smell so good. Okay, so let's see. Oh wait, I had already done that. So how do I open it? Ouch. How does it open without being, hello? Oh, I have to open it from here, see? So always away from the face. There we go. And I have to open it here as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Always away. Excuse me, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, yes. Oh wait, let me get my glasses out of the way because we don't want to smush them. We need our glasses to see. So we get this, okay? We're gonna open. Oh! Oh! Oh, the lid! Oh, the lid. Honey, she's heavy. Look, she comes like this. So let's go ahead and, oh my god. Here we go. Voila. We have the lid. Eee! Okay. Gonna put her right over here. She's gonna smush the brooms, but who cares? And then we have the little instruction manual right over here. It comes in Spanish, English, maybe even German, because this is a German store. Let's see. Seguro para alimentos, descripción de palabras. No, just in English and Spanish. Maybe I should look for work there as a translator. Okay, so awesome. And here we go. She's, add another box to the collection. She's so big, you guys. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Am I supposed to keep these? Light enamel inside of the product is specifically designed for simmering food or cooking food at moderate oven temperature. Okay, moderate oven temperature. And that was it, my adventure for shopping for a cast iron skillet thingy. I did it. I almost didn't do it, but early bird almost gets the full worm. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like my page, comment down below, and please let me know, do you have a cast iron or are you excited to have one. I can tell I'm a grown señora by knowing I'm excited to get one of these. So, besitos. Thank you so much, and hasta mañana.